Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can delete unwanted emails here in Gmail. So what you can do is to manually delete all the emails that you don't want by selecting the emails, by checking them at the checkbox here at this side, and then you just want to click on the trash bin button up here to delete them. But an easier way to do this is by clicking on the email that is unwanted. For example, that all emails that come from this email address are unwanted. So I'm going to click on only this one email, and then I'm going to click on the three dots options up here, then click on filter messages like these, and then click on create filter, and then click on delete it, and then click on also by filter to matching conversations, then click on create filter, and all of the emails that came from that email address will be deleted. So that's it. Thanks for watching.